Nice ride, man.
Thanks, buddy. How are you?
Good, yourself? What year is this?
16.
16?
Yeah.
That's tight. That's awesome. What kind of exhaust you got, bro?
Just mid muffler and no res.
That's just the mid muffler delete?
Yeah, no res.
Not bad.
Not bad, yeah.
Oh, this happened, eh?
Oh, it's fine, man. I was in Toronto last week and I hit like a bump on the highway.
Yeah.
And it just, the lip was sagging, so I had no choice but to put a self tapper right through the other side just because all the brackets were.
Your last lips, you have multiple lips? Holy, what else you got done to this thing, man?
H&R springs.
H&R string, yeah, you dropped it?
Yeah, sun lowering springs and Corsa intake.
That is a nice, that's a nice drop on it.
Stuff like that.
Yeah.
Nothing crazy yet, but
how aggressive is the drop?
2 inch.
2 inch?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's crazy. Do you chew the insides of your tires after the drop?
No.
No, you don't? Okay.
I just have a small spacer on the back.
Oh, okay.
5 mil spacer on the back. So.
Can I hear it start up? Just on the mic? That's sick. Any engine dress up?
Not really.
That is loud. That's aggressive. Where'd you get this bad boy? That's sick.
That's from Ventus.
Yeah.
This is from Dodge Customs. And this is from Ventus as well. Skirts are Ventus.
Everything Ventus, eh?
And then the front lip was Ventus, but it's been replaced.
Yeah.
Now it's just off my buddy Extreme Autoworks.
Yeah. Fuck, man. Love it. Oh, you got the Firestones on there.
Yeah, just for now.
Just for now?
Yeah. They're not bad.
Fuck yeah.
Probably get some better tires next season when I get my cam in.
Yeah. Oh, you doing the cam? What kind of cam you think?
Stage 3 cam. I have the hydraulic roller from Comp.
Nice.
Yeah, I just got to get the springs and the rods, and hopefully it should make some jam next season.
Yeah. Who are you gonna do the work yourself or?
My buddy's shop, Jesse's in Barrie.
Oh, it's in Barrie?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll go to him too.
Yeah. He's good.
No, the thing is, like, cam is it's tedious, but I mean, it's what other options do we have? Supercharge it at 5 pounds?
No, yeah. That's all. Find the owner of the Escalade. Top end stuff in the cam.
Yeah.
Supporting lines.
Yeah. No, it sounds great.
Along this one, we won't have room here. And yeah, I'll probably do some racing seats eventually.
Yeah.
And that'll probably be it for the car, really.
What'd you get done by Muscle Mouse?
Oh, I've been here quite a few times just because I had my car wrapped before.
Yeah.
I've had him clean it, wash it, polish it, stuff like that.
He is the man when it comes to that. You from around here? Like Barrie? Yeah.
Like I said, I took all the wrap off.
Yeah.
So I have to get it coated eventually.
How was taking the wrap off?
It wasn't fun, man.
What? It wasn't fun? Thanks, bro.